Okay, let's start working on our taco now. So again, when we start with our taco, we want to initialize the taco to have the variables we'd like to start the game with. So let's say when clicked, when we start the game, first we want to point in the correct direction, which is we'd like to point downwards. So if we go to motion, point direction, and here we can see that if you go to 180, this points down. So 180. And let's also set its position. At the moment, we have x minus 7, y 159. Actually, if we take this off and we move our, let's see, does this, no, it doesn't change. If you look at the go-to here, we can see where the position of the taco is currently. You can also see it here. This is the X, and this is the Y. And in Scratch, we have a maximum X, maximum Y of 180, a minimum Y of 180, as you can see, minus 180. A maximum x of 240. So this is the x-axis goes from negative 240 to 240, positive 240. The y-axis goes from down here, which is minus 180, to up here, which is positive 180. So let's have him go to where he is right now. And let's change the y, instead of making it a fixed, change the x, instead of making the x a fixed minus 31, let's have the taco generate randomly up here. So we can do that by picking a random number. Instead of picking a fixed number, we'll pick a random number. See if we can get that in there. Dear. And the random number, we probably don't want them to appear like on the edge of the screen, which is minus 240. So we'll say minus 180 to positive 180. And if we press run, the taco is facing down. It's generated randomly. Each time it appears randomly on the screen. Let's also push up the Y just a little. Let's see, how does that look? Yeah, now it's like he's coming out of the sky. All right, so the next thing we would like to do, let's also make sure we set his size to be what we want it to. So set size, instead of 100, I think we used 30, but that's up to you. And then we would like to control him with a forever. So what is he going to do? Forever. He's going to drop from the sky. So all we need to do then in the forever is move. So if we press moves 10 steps, that's pretty fast. Okay, and he moves down to the end of the stage. Let's instead make this like a 4 and see if that's okay. That looks like the right speed.